Hi, my name is Grace Scott, and I began kindergarten at Derby in 1996. I'm very thankful I had the opportunity to attend Derby. I loved the physical space out in the country and the opportunities to snowshoe, hike, and involve nature into our education. I also felt it was a very supportive environment and no judgment was passed from student to student, allowing us to really get involved in the school without fear of criticism. We also got to know the younger and older grades. Everyone knew each other's name and there was a real sense of community. And I think this really gave me the confidence in my later education to get involved with things like student council, sports teams, and then even varsity teams and student mentorship programs in university. And I'm now finishing up my honors specialization Bachelor of Arts in Kinesiology at the University of Western, and I will be pursuing my Masters of Rehabilitation Sciences also at Western this coming fall. And yes, I just really enjoyed my time at Derby and think fondly back at it. Thank you.